Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send and reply to one-to-one emails in Hubspot. Mastering this will help you communicate professionally and efficiently with your contacts. Start by going to the Hubspot homepage. This is the central hub for all your business tools, so it's important to begin here. Next, locate the login button and sign in with your credentials. Its placement is usually consistent, but may vary slightly if HubSpot updates the interface. Once you're logged in, navigate to the CRM and click on Contacts. This will display a list of your clients or relevant individuals, ensuring your communication is properly organized. Select the contact you want to email. After selecting, click the Send Email option to open the email interface directly linked to that recipient. When composing your email, make sure your message is clear and concise. Double check for typos to maintain a professional tone. Once ready, hit Send to deliver your message efficiently. To reply to incoming emails, use HubSpot's reply function. This automatically populates the message fields, making it faster and easier to respond while keeping your communication organized. By following these steps, you can manage one-to-one emails in HubSpot with greater efficiency and professionalism. These tools streamline your communication, saving you time while keeping your interactions clear and effective. And that's it. You're now ready to send and reply to one-to-one emails in HubSpot like a pro.